9 million, 10 million, 11 million. Keep going. Let's get it. It's Cooper. Gia. Mixtape Messiah to you. Ow! I got money. Yeah. I got for sure. Let's go. Let's go. I got money. Woo! I got for sure. Mixtape Messiah Part 5. You in the presence of the finest. I already told you that. You know what it is. Chameleon.com. Let's go. Let's go. For sure. What if I said I was better than 50, Kanye and Weezy? Would you believe me, or would you be mad like I'm talking greasy? What if I said I was way better than all these little cheesy rappers on TV that really be making cooning look easy? You easy breezy, cover girls, get your nails done by Tyra. In the streets I'm on fire, and that's until I retire. I'm out in Tyler, the mayor say I'm the Mixtape Messiah, so you get fired. Ain't messing with none of you rappers for hire. I don't admire none of y'all, plus I feel like I'm greater. You wanna get served, I'm a waiter, and bullets, I got a plater. Anybody jump fly, I turn to a demonstrator. Major label that pay you, and manager ain't gon' say ya. Not just the best in my city, I'm like the best on the planet. I'm a guard from above, and the streets is just where I landed. Yeah. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah. Shut up. Hold up. I make this look pretty, man. Know what I'm talking about? I be bobbing and weaving on these boys, man. Still in the game, know what I'm talking about? Doing that, getting in the streets, doing what I do best. Yes, I'm super fresh, super fly, all the time.